When I talk to teams about data, the same thing comes up again and again. People assume data is complicated, technical, something only analysts and IT people should understand or be dealing with. But the truth is far simpler. Data isn't scary, it can just be messy. And when you organise it, format it and visualise it clearly, it becomes one of the most useful tools you can ever have. We often talk about data like it's something abstract. In reality, data is just information, captured in a consistent way. If something happens and you write it down, log it or measure it, that's data. It only becomes complex when it's unorganised. Most organisations don't have a data problem, they have a clarity problem. Some common issues include unstructured data, different formats, missing fields, no consistency, and over several platforms. It's all got to be pulled together. Scattered data, multiple systems, as I've previously mentioned, multiple owners, and no single source of truth. Overcomplicated data, dashboards that are full of noise, too many KPIs until we've got no KPIs, and these are hard for non-technical teams to interpret and understand. Data exists, but nobody understands the context of what it means in the real practical world. Before you can use data, you need to understand it. And before you understand it, you need to structure it. Data only becomes valuable when three things happen, and they're much simpler than most people think. Firstly, organisation. Organised data is understandable data. Correct formatting removes confusion before it even happens. Clear visualisation. When data is visual, people get it instantly. A graph changes behaviour faster than a paragraph every single time. You don't need deep analytics or AI skills to use data effectively. You just need clarity and understand how it relates to your processes. Here are 3 practical uses anyone can apply. Spotting trends on production lines, identifying waste in workflows, and understanding customer patterns. When people understand the data, they stop guessing and they start improving. Data is only powerful when it's organised, formatted well, and visualised clearly. When teams understand it, they make better decisions, spot problems earlier, and create stronger outcomes. If you want to build data confidence in your workforce and understand how digital skills can transform your organisation, just talk to us at Qualitrain. We're always here and happy to help.